kitchen again, so I'm going to be making myself some breakfast. Today I chose not to have a fry up. It is the weekend, but because I wanna do this thing for lunch where, like, I made this huge surprise order for everyone and we watch a film and things like that. It's Sunday. Pretty much everything outside is going to be closed, so it's something interesting. Hopefully my dad will agree. So just to sort of add some help. I didn't have anything major for breakfast is kind of what I'm going to go with. Just focus. Hey, what is up, vlog? Welcome back to another episode of The Daily Grind. On this episode, I'm just sort of recording this pretty late. It's like 4 p.m. right now, but I will rewind back towards like 1 p.m. or around 12 p.m. where I started going out to shoot some B-roll and stuff like that for some AKAJK Show episodes that we're going to have. So let's go. So, B-roll, baby. Let's get this quickly tilted. I mean, you gotta know the truth about B-roll. B-roll is very, very vital. It's important to creating any content, any film, a video, whatever. B-roll is very important. Now, B-roll is used in a lot of my videos. And here's what it is, first of all. This is A-roll. This is B-roll. B-roll is footage that you overlay over your A-roll to add extra depth or meaning to your video or film. That's what it is, pretty much. Today I went out to get B-roll and take some thumbnail shots for some tech videos that I've been working on. So what I do is try and get some B-roll during a nice sort of scenic day where there's some good lighting and all that kind of jazz. I go around to get some photos, get some B-roll of the tech products that are going to be in the episode. So instead of just doing it all indoors, it just looks more interesting outside. So definitely going outside is a quick tip for getting extra pow in your B-roll. Now this isn't really a AKAJK Show episode, I'm just giving you a few quick tips on my vlog. So, using plants, these are the fake IKEA plants, stuff like this and this. They're always useful, whether they use the fake ones or the real ones. Use any little pop figures, anything with a little extra color. This is my Captain America Funko Pop. I got a few Funko Pops around here. I like them. But anything that would add some extra depth and just niceness to your video and B-roll is always recommended. Some nice color grading. You can use photos and then have them keyframed so the photo just zooms in. I've done that sometimes but I don't have video content, or just the photo looks really good and I want to use it. Things like that. Also, when you're outside, using plants in the background blurred out is good. Having people walk around, just extra things moving around in the background, helps people just stay focused on the video and not get distracted with somewhere else. Now, there's a YouTuber called Mr. Who's the Boss, and he said they're using sort of B-roll with people in the background and movement. In case someone gets distracted in the video, they can get distracted by your background and not click off elsewhere. So that's a huge benefit when having nice B-roll in your videos. So definitely invest a lot of time into B-roll because, I mean, really, you should just be putting all your heart and soul into making these videos and your content, and each and every day and try and push further and further, and just think about what you need to do, what you haven't done, what you need to do more. Tomorrow I'm going to be discussing a bit of the process of how I do this stuff in the vlog, and just sort of what kind of motivates me and how I'm able to stay kind of motivated, because I'm not always motivated. Nobody pretty much ever is all the time. So tomorrow I'll be discussing how to get more motivated when you're down, or you just feel like, I don't want to do anything, I don't want to edit, I don't want to film. That happens to me a lot. You just got to get through it, you got to do stuff, which I'll discuss next episode. But just another quick tip for B-roll, movement is always great. Now my slider, I still haven't managed to unpack it from the garage, so that's still not yet ready. But tripod, holding the camera, using like a fluid head. This gorilla pod I can kind of slide, kind of twist the camera around. Any movement, zooming in, zooming out. If you couldn't get movement in camera, in editing you can have the video clip zoom in or zoom to the right or something like that. Just add extra movement and keep the audience focused on what is going on in the video and not what is going on elsewhere. That is definitely a major tip. It's just movement is just much more kind of, just brings the audience in more. And you really want to do that. You don't want your audience to click off because that's something very, very important for them not to click off. And yeah, I think that's the end of this episode. I know it's a bit of a shorter one, and each day is going to be different. I'm not doing something amazingly interesting every day or something crazily special. But anyways, I'll catch you tomorrow. In the morning there'll be a AKAJK show, actually in the afternoon for tomorrow because we've got a couple of things going on. Wait, no. It should be in the morning. And yeah, hopefully I'll catch you then, because here at AKAJK, you know the saying, the grind is daily.